ass.
From the Netherlands, the other side of the ocean, man.
Biden or Trump, black job or not.
There you go. She's funny. Drag house. I peeped all the rainbow colored flags. I guess this like one of the gay friendly districts. Even though this whole place is gay friendly, man. You see the rainbow flags everywhere around here. Walking the streets, man. We just took a break and I'm guessing it's Rembrandt Square, Rembrandt Plein. I'm not exactly sure. We just kind of walked into it. But decent little square right here. A lot of people chilling out, you know. We've been definitely getting zooted, man. I'm off a couple joints, some a brownie. But you see they got a bunch of stuff back around here. Hella restaurants, a couple hotels, a couple more smoke shops, a movie theater. Yeah, that's Rembrandt Bar. And what is this? Astronaut?
Statue, right? The posing in. I think it's called the Thinker.
In the Thinker pose, and an astronaut suit. Alright, something smell good over here, man. We definitely been smelling a lot of good food, like walking through the streets here, because we was tripping in France where we wasn't really, like, I remember one spot in particular called I know. It was the Indian spot. It was like a whole lane full of Indian and Pakistani food. But out here, man, it's been a lot of spots. We've been smelling some pretty good food. So I don't know. I might follow my nose. And I typically don't be eating no meat. I might check out one of these Argentinian brasseries though, man, because they everywhere out here. This is who the park is named after. Rembrandt Square in Rembrandt Park. That's the third person I noticed going in the garbage cans here since we've been here.
Just the third? That's like the fourth, fifth.
He said he's seen 4 or 5 people digging in the garbage. Yeah, he saw 4 or 5. I saw at least 3. And then one lady looked at your ass like, am I bothering you? I don't know if that's the homeless people doing that. Like, they collecting cans, recyclables or whatever. This mosquito on my ass. Back to that spot.
Você que mandou, seu ladarinha. Você nem falou nada, rapaz.
Hold on, hold on.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, I know that music. I like the music.
We'll meet you.
In a pizza situation. And I want this episode to be dedicated to the Africans who old-fashioned, talking about weed and ganja, think it make you crazy. We've been smoking all day. We off a brownie or two, and what you had? What was yours?
Fudge cake.
Fudge cake. We off edibles and various joints and all kind of stuff. And we good, you know? We still cognizant, sensible, we peaceful. Just out here enjoying ourselves, man. That's all weed does. It don't make you crazy. It don't make you angry or violent. You just want to have a good time and enjoy yourself, man. So hopefully a few more of the country start changing their laws, because right now it's trash in some parts of Africa. But shout out to the ones like South Africa that made it legal. Check out the little car too, man. I want y'all to see one of these driving, but these been killing me. These little tiny cars. Look at that. It ain't even much bigger than the scooter.
Trying to get.
Drag house. I peeped all the rainbow color flags. I guess this like one of the gay friendly districts. Even though this whole place is gay friendly, man. You see the rainbow flags everywhere around here.
USA, I guess.
Live from the Netherlands.
Did
Yeah,
you say
right.
Team USA? I really guess.
Other side of the ocean, man.
Literally. Biden or Trump.
You up so high though.
Black job or not.
There you go. She's
Y'all got a black job?
Hell nah.
No.
Every job I got is a black job.
Wait, because I really think I got a white job, and that's why I'm stressed.
It's really white.
Come on, Black King.
I'm gonna show you what I do too, so you'll see.
Okay, sounds good.
And then y'all can see what else we posted from here.
For real?
Wait, what's your YouTube page or something?
Deleted scenes.
Where y'all post content at?
YouTube.
Okay, cool. What's the YouTube page? Hold on, because my phone on like 2%.
No, I feel bad for leaving Sophie there, yeah?
Sophie is a grown woman.
Misha,
Wait,
I speak
a husband and
French
kids.
and Dutch and English, yeah. What? No, her husband isn't here.
Wait,
There
because
was an
Sage been
intern-
talking
there was
French
an
all
intern
night.
for Delta,
Whole
named
time,
Fahim,
I only
and
speak
he,
English
like-
and Creole. Wait, what's y'all's names?
Yeah, what's her name?
Anthony,
Antonia.
Ron.
Anthony.
Roz,
Hey, Roz.
like Roz, like get up,
Like, get up.
like rise up.
Oh,
You said Ron?
Rise.
No, Roz.
Roz,
Like
Roz. Okay, so not ROSS, not like dress for less. Okay, cool.
Rick Ross.
Okay.
That's for less?
Not the discount clothes. Okay, don't sleep on the discount clothes because they go crazy. Anyway.
Broken, we can to the hotel. I know exactly where
Wait,
we are.
I've been holding your camera for a minute. Is this gonna like run out of storage?
Camera cost, yo.
Huh?
It's still going.
It says something about
Oh, you
endpoints
funny.
released.
I didn't even know it was still recording.
Yeah, I'm
Hey, how
sorry.
much-
How much
Go
is
back,
that?
'cause I-
When you share, add some favorites, and then I will see you,
That's,
okay?
that's
Okay.
just YouTube.
How was
though.
Paris?
No.
How long ago did you go to Paris?
We just got in from Paris today, actually.
How was it? Because I want to go, but I'm like, the Olympics got me feeling skeptical.
Look, so I'm not a big fan.
Yeah,
I could have.
I've heard mixed reviews.
Yeah, like,
It's not
wasn't
that.
great. You know.
It's never that great though. We in Europe.
You're right.
We in the colonizers town.
London has some good spots. though,
You're
because
saying
we
the
stayed in,
colonizer
like,
sound?
Yeah, baby, they colonized my whole country.
Are you patronizing me because I'm white?
Wait, you're not white. It's not me. It's this.
No,
it's
it
the
isn't.
camera.
It's you.
Yeah,
Okay.
she keep cocking it back like it's a gun. So what you doing?
Okay, you can never.
Listen, I'm from Philly.
Okay.
Wait, you crazy. Anyway, we got Anthony. We got
Roz. What's the
Rod.
Oh yeah, right by Terps on. I tried to remember the way we was going. I think I could get most of the way, but I don't know. At the
Pretty
end.
much a straight shot across the. From where we was at.
You did a turn or two through there.
Yeah, I turned too, but like I was just to like get to, keep straight, like quick turns.
Yeah. Where we at now? You still trying to go to the greenhouse, or you just want to be in the area?
I did want to go to Greenhouse.
You gotta put in your GPS now. It's Friday night. It's about 1:15 in the morning.
More than 14 tribes, but yeah.
Okay.
The language is, you know, we have Twi and Fanti. They're similar.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah, Twi and Fanti is similar. Okay. Then we have Ewe and Gan. We have Gan and Ada. That's also similar, but two different tribes.
Right.
It's too much, man.
You're right, man. You hit it on the head. It needs to be one language taught in school across the whole continent. And I agree, Swahili, I think, would be the best.
Yes, the whole continent is Swahili. So, no strangers anymore.
Exactly.
You can be from Morocco, can be from South Africa, but then
Still
we understand each other.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Nah, that's very necessary.
Yeah.
Man. You're right.
The leaders are up doing nothing. I mean,
Well, I'm hoping for the best, man. Like the leaders in Mali and Burkina Faso, the ones making that federation right now in Niger.
they're trying, you know.
Yeah. So you plan on staying here in Amsterdam? You don't think you ever gonna go back to Africa?
I'm gonna go back. I mean, I'm planning my pension, you know, my retirement there.
Smart man.
Yeah.
I want to do the same thing. Bro.
Yeah, building some houses so I can rent them, you know.
Yeah. We got the same plan, man.
So I just relax at the end of the month, go and collect my cash, and then live my life till I die.
There you go. That'll be a good life.
Africa is rich. Africa is fucking rich.
Africa is the richest place in the world, brother. We just gotta take control of it. But we appreciate you, man.
I do appreciate you too ordering me. Oh yeah, you didn't order the girls, did you?
Yeah, but hey, we appreciate the ride, though. Yes, sir. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to
My
meet you.
Ghanaian brother.
Yes.
All right, now.
The pleasure was all my boys.
Yes, sir. Likewise. Have a good night. Make a lot of money, man.
That's what I'm doing.
Yes, sir. All right. Shout out to what he said, Grandpa Henry. Shout out to Grandpa Henry, man. Not only was he cool, he put us on some neighborhoods to check out. We already heard about Oost, but he said, I think South Oost, which is like southeast out here, and then like the African Square or something. And he said both of them not too far from where we are, so we're gonna check those out later, but we back at the hotel. Back at the Postilion. Got to go upstairs and chill, man. We had a long night out there. Shout out to the young ladies who ordered our Uber for us, too. Why you always tilting so hard?
There go Anthony. Wait.
No.
Wait.